Hello everyone, this is Chris Bassick welcoming you to a quick introduction to Google Earth. Glad you took the initiative to preview this brief introduction to Google Earth. We're very fortunate in our Brickell market in that all buildings are in 3D. So the purpose of this video is to teach you the basic features and navigation options available. Google Earth is free. If you haven't yet, I strongly encourage you to install it on your own machine and experiment with it. The Brickell market is a perfect platform for Google Earth. There's no better visual aid available. For a start, you'll learn how to fly to a specific address, change its point of view, save a picture of the screen, go to street level, and a quick overview on layers available. So please practice. In no time at all, you'll become comfortable and proficient at it. So there you have it. Google Earth is loaded in the system. And first thing, you want to make sure that you have the current version, which is 6.0 or above. And if you have a need to update, you can go to Help and look for Update Available. As an example here, I've typed in EWM in Miami, Florida. As you can see, it will fly over all the branch offices in South Florida. So the Find Business tab is very useful in that you can find different type of business in any given neighborhood. In this case, I'm zooming in our office on Miami Avenue. By clicking a little guy over here, this is something new in Google 6.0. It'll give you the capability of quickly go into the street level. You can look around the neighborhood by panning from left to right, right to left as you wish. It's just a question of rotating. You can move on along the path line by clicking on the path line that is available within the street level. See the little white line over here? By clicking on it, I can actually move along. Here's our office. You exit street level by going exit street level. You can zoom in or out using the navigation bar on the right. You can also use your trackball if you prefer. That's my method of preference. I use a trackball to zoom in and out. Over here, you have to make sure you basically click on 3D buildings so you can have a 3D rendition of all the buildings in the neighborhood. Very strong command here that's little known to a lot of people is if you hold the Shift key on your keyboard and use the left click of your mouse, you can basically easily navigate and look around in more flexible ways. So hold the Shift key while you drag with the left key on the mouse. Over here, I'm just going to do another little example. I've typed in pizza for 33134, which is a zip code. And it gives me a list of all the pizza places in 33134. Again, I'm going to go to street level. Dragging a little guy into that street will bring me into the street level pictures. It's pretty unbelievable, actually. I'm going to go along that line again so I can have a better angle of the storefront of the pizza place. That's Mona Lisa Pizza on 8th Street. Exit street level, bring me back to the aerial. Here's another fun thing you can do. For instance, let's say you're planning a little escapade in Vero Beach. Want to find an hotel over there, just put Hotel Vero Beach, Florida. We'll fly you over to Vero Beach and give you an overview of all the hotels locations within that neighborhood. By clicking on the icon, you can actually get more information on each hotel. That would include even some reviews, phone numbers, and exact address of the location. Very nice little feature. Over here, I just by clicking the little guy just to see on the street level, you can see there's no street level available. So one little tip as far as that goes, when you click on the standing little guy in the navigation bar, as I do here, you see the blue highlighted. That shows that there are pictures available. So if there's no highlighted as you click on it, there's no pictures, there's no street pictures available. So only when you have a blue highlight as you click on the little guy will you see pictures available. Here I'm going to do the fly to and just put Coco Plum, comma Florida, and that will fly me over Coco Plum. Another practical example in Google Earth. Essentially, I'm using this over here to show me the distance if you had a boat as to how long of a distance you'd have to go on your boat given the location of the property on the canal. So if you're sitting with your client and trying to evaluate the amount of time it takes to get in or out, that might be a nice way to go about this. That wraps it up for this session. Hope you enjoyed it. Please take the time to practice and experiment with this great tool. Next time we'll discuss other features in Google Earth. That includes drawing paths and polygons, marking and saving places, organizing places, making tours, and thank you for your attention. Till next time.